good morning. Another day, another dollar. Time to go and do what we do best. Today we are working on a Golf R, having a ceramic coating repair. A few minor issues on the vehicle. I've had a look at it already, had an inspection. All looks good. Hopefully, when we go and do the car today, life is nice and easy and it goes bliss. So yeah, today's a Golf R day. Let's go and see what we're in for. So I'm at the destination. Safe to say the vehicle in front of me is absolutely filthy. But I love filthy cars. Have a look at this. So here we have the Volkswagen Golf R. Very, very nice vehicle. As you can see here, he's opted for the front splitter by Maxton Design. Vehicle is sitting pretty low, as you can see, not much gap between the arch. I've gone for the black side skirt and rear diffuser. So Volkswagen Golf R in for a ceramic coating repair. Touch up any minor issues that we see on the vehicle. Still we do best. Make this fresh. So the beautiful beast is in its lair. I'm going to get my light on the paintwork, inspect it and correct it. Thought that all on my own. But yeah, nice to have some cover, even though the weather is beautiful. Keep the shade at an all-time high. But inspecting the paintwork outside showed up to be very good. So let's have a look. It's hard to do this with one hand. Gotcha. Yeah, let me switch the camera around. Even better. So currently the paintwork is looking immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. There is a few issues that probably aren't going to be picked up by the light, but some minor issues that need some attention. but for me this car is at an all-time high, maintained correctly. Currently the car's coming on nicely. I am on the passenger side of the vehicle now. I just want to show you what the back wing looks like. Very hard to pick up on the camera, but if you look carefully, just there in the light, you can see that there's some, I don't know if it's cured coating or something under the lacquer. You can see right there. So those are the type of things that I'm trying to correct, remove those issues from the paint. It's not everywhere on the vehicle and it's not on every panel, but when it is on there, it's very difficult to remove. So I'm going to have an attempt at this side to get rid of that imperfection. So just looking there now, a major improvement just by using the cloth and getting a little bit closer to the panel. A lot better. So we have finished. My voice is slowly coming back. The beautiful Golf R is in front of me. Let's go and have a look. Golf R looking absolutely stunning. My work here is done. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't done it already, smash the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and then you'll be notified every time I do drop one. But for now, you know the motto, whatever you do, do it right.